restaurant. B and what's the other name? Bastarz. Okay, this song is really lit. Alright, let's get down to business because I saw some 3 sexy guys inside the post thing, like, you know. I like that song. And blah, blah, blah. Okay, alright, I'm feeling it. Okay, here we go. Now this. Alrighty, I'm ready to get into this, okay? Do you know the names? No! Okay. I just like the song. He's like, I like Jay Riz, but I never seen his face, so I only like his music. You know about me. I'm a Tito Mareuri. I just joke at G. Now, the mother said I got the jab. So just nice. Yeah, you know that boy's so sexy. And now I'm laying that sack of money, bro. Looking like G. No, he looking like him, bro. Whoever he is. So sexy. Oh, hell yeah. I'll make you rain. Yeah. They say ho, ho, ho. I'll make you rain. Ho, ho, ho. I'm getting goosebumps. I think like a girl. Oh, he looks crazy. Look at that. That nigga sexy. Look crazy sexy. No, y'all can happily leave comments of their names, you know, so we can know. Yeah. Don't say it won't hurt. That's mine. Ho, ho, ho. Lotus. Ooh, money like a game. I know. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, his voice is so lit. Look at them. They're like so beautiful just laying there. Oh, this one. No, I'm like, watch this too. Hey. Learn to share. No, we need to make a club of K-pop. Pay $20 at the door. Be so lit. I mean, because there's many people over there in Houston that weren't able to pay for that, and they wanted to go to G-Dragon's.
Well, they had to put money into that.
I know, but like, but do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
$20, they would be like, you know.
That would
somebody
be cool. That would be cool to look into that.
It'd be like cosplay. Somebody acts out there, you know. They're like, let's say, all these guys dress like Big Bang, but they don't sing. They just dance, and you know, dress like
oh, that's cute.
Like cosplay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice. $20 out the door. That would be nice. Good idea, right? Yeah.
And I got, you know, tech now. That was cool.
Anyways,
that was Blood V Bastarz.
I don't know who is who, but you know they sound
their
lit.
music is just like awesome.
Yeah.
Just that one that gets the nerve and then
what song are we listening to next?
Okay, next. Oh no, we finished doing the music videos.
Oh,
next we're going to do.
No. Now we're done with all our music videos. We caught up. We did everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what the videos you think of all of them. You know,
Yes,
how
we gotta
to
look up here. We've been looking down here. We need eye contact.
Like I said, you could get drunk off of K-pop. Watching too many videos. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye. Push bus.